In this brief video, we're going to look at vocabulary. We have prepared some glossaries so you can really get all the terms that you need to get the highest grade in the writing task 1, but this will really help you also in the writing task 2. What you can do now is pause the video to see all the glossaries, save the words that you don't know, look for the meaning in the dictionary, and try to think of a sentence where you can use that term. In that way, you will memorize them in a very practical way and you will know when to use this term effectively. And also another very practical tip is when you get to the task 1, ask yourself, looking at the graph, was there an increase, lowering, a stabilization, and then complete accordingly to what is the graph showing. So is it number of students going to school, price of books, temperature, and so on. And it's also very, very important in the task 1 to know all the connective and connect logically the various parts of the text. And here you can find another part of the glossaries where you can find terms to connect the various sentences and also to compare them. If you feel you need more words, you want to expand even more your vocabulary, I strongly advise you to Google IELTS Writing Task 1 Vocabulary PDF, and you find the list of all these terms, terminology, synonyms, antonyms that will be extremely helpful in Task 1 and in Task 2. And most of the time they're also divided by categories. So you will know if you need more words related, for example, to sport, or arts, or science, depending on what you already know on these topics and how well you know the terminology. So I hope that this brief video on vocabulary and our glossaries has helped you a lot. Already start practicing straight away and use all these new terms that you have learned.